Namaste. Trashtale. Good morning. Many my friend express happy birthday. So here I want to take this opportunity to express those people. And then many other people, including Indian Prime Minister and many ministers and also chief ministers and number of sort of my Indian friend, they sincerely express congratulations my birthday. So I very much appreciate. You see, these are friendly expression. I do not consider just a diplomatic something. But all, you see, sincerely, wholeheartedly, you see, express. So I want to thank all those people who really think about my life, something useful. So I very much appreciate. And the more people, sincerely express, that way, then that gives me determination, inner strength. I must live long, as much as life possible. So according to some my the dreams and some sort of predictions, my life 110, and some say 113. So you see, more people, you see, genuinely sort of express friendly and respect and expectation. So I determined I must live at least 110 years. Now, one human being now many people, you see, really shows love me. And many people actually, you see, loves my smile. and in spite of my old age, my face quite handsome. So many people, you see, really show me genuine sort of friendship. I want to express my deep appreciation. All my friends who really show me love, respect, and trust. So I want to express, my thank. And myself, I can assure to you, the rest of my life, I committed serving humanity and protection of climate, the condition. So, since I became a refugee, now settled in India, I fully utilized India's freedom and religious harmony. So I want to assure to you, the rest of my life, I fully committed this work. And then also, I really appreciate the Indian sort of concept, secular, without religion, but keep honest, karuna, and ahimsa. So, dear my friend, on my birthday, this is my gift. So please keep in your mind. I myself committed these non-violence and compassion till my death. So, as my offer to my friend, so I hope friends also keep these non-violence and compassion should keep your rest of life. So that's firstly say something like my sort of report about my life. And secondly, all human brothers, sisters, should keep these two things, non-violence and compassion, till your death. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holiness. Happy birthday to you. While you live long, may you live long. May your wish be fulfilled. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holiness. Happy birthday to you. May you live long. May you live long. May your wish be fulfilled. Wait. Happy birthday to you. I'm in charge. Happy birthday to you. Well, His Holiness is about to blow out the candles, but let's have one of the children come up and help. Can we have one of the children come? Right behind you. Come on. There we go. Right, 1,